Every now and then, when you start your day and you're going to go take photos and videos of a particular subject, you are completely taken by surprise when you just run into something extraordinary by accident. And that's what happened on this day in a small Czech Republic town called Podveky. And this is the Church of Saint Gall. And it is a historic Catholic parish church, and it is also a cultural monument in the Czech Republic. Now, the village itself is first mentioned in the records around 1295, and the church has long been its most prominent landmark. The current church building dates back to 1783, when it was constructed in the late Baroque style on the site of an earlier medieval sanctuary that had stood there for literally centuries. While most of the structure reflects the 18th century architecture, the core of the tower and the original bell cast in 1503 were preserved and incorporated into the newer design. And that's very cool because what it did was it linked the building to its earlier history. The church is dedicated to Saint Gall, an Irish missionary saint widely venerated across Europe. And the church has served as a center of religious life in this region for generations. And its designation as a cultural monument of the Czech Republic highlights its architectural and historical importance within the Kutná district. The Church of Saint Gall remains an active place of worship, and it is a destination for visitors interested in the heritage of Baroque architecture of cultural Bohemia. As I was taking photos and videos of this church, I realized that for 2 centuries, this church has stood quietly above the quiet town of Podveky. It's watched the seasons change, it's watched empires rise and fall, and generations come and go. Its walls carry echoes of medieval bells, religious devotion, and the steady rhythm of village life. In a small corner of Central Bohemia, this humble church remains what it has always been, a symbol of endurance, faith, and timeless character of the Czech Republic.